Hi, today we're kicking off the first part of the quickest crash course you'll ever get on ancient Greek philosophers. Let's start with Socrates. He was basically the ancient Greek version of your annoying friend who always asks, "But why?" Picture this dude walking around Athens, asking people annoying questions like, "What is the meaning of life?" And, "Do you even know what you're doing with your life?" Socrates was all about questioning everything, and I mean everything. You know you're in for a wild ride when Socrates starts with his classic line, "I know that I know nothing." Dude, same. But he gave us the Socratic method, so we can't complain too much. Then we've got Plato, Socrates' student. He was like the guy who takes really detailed notes in class and then writes epic fanfiction about his teacher. Plato was all about those deep thoughts, especially his famous allegory of the cave. Basically, he was like, hey, what if everything we see is just shadows on a cave wall, man? Mind blown. Aristotle, on the other hand, was more down to earth. This guy was Plato's student, but he was more into practical stuff. Like, he was all about categorizing things. If you were around today, he'd probably be the guy organizing his sock drawer by color, size, and fabric composition. If Wikipedia existed back then, he'd be the one writing half of it. He was all about observation and logic, which is cool and all until you realize he thought women had fewer teeth than men. Seriously, Aristotle, did you not have access to a dentist? He's the eccentric philosopher who took minimalism to the extreme. This dude was all about that simple life, living in a barrel, telling Alexander the Great to move out of his sunlight. Legend has it, he once walked around Athens with a lantern in broad daylight, searching for an honest man. Spoiler alert, he never found one. And last but not least, we've got Epicurus, the hedonistic philosopher who's all about maximizing pleasure and minimizing pain. Basically, he's the guy you want to invite to your next party because he's always down for a good time. His motto? Eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we may die. Can't argue with that. So, there you have it, folks. A crash course in ancient Greek philosophy. Remember, next time you're pondering life's big questions, just ask yourself, what would Socrates do? Probably annoy everyone with more questions. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and hey, feel free to drop your own philosophical musings in the comments below.